Did you know a queen once murdered her own husband with a red-hot poker? Isabella of France married England's King Edward II, but he cared more about his male lovers than his wife. First came Piers Gaveston, then Hugh Despencer. Isabella was completely humiliated, as her husband showered these men with gifts and power while ignoring her completely. In 1325, Isabella traveled to France on royal business and met Roger Mortimer, a dangerous English rebel. They fell in love and hatched a deadly plan. Together they raised an army of hired soldiers and invaded England the next year. Nobles who hated Edward's favorites quickly joined their cause. Edward tried to run but was captured and forced to give up his crown to his 14-year-old son. Isabella and Mortimer locked the former king in Berkeley Castle, where guards brutally murdered him by shoving a burning hot iron rod into his body. Isabella ruled England for 4 years until her own son had enough. He executed Mortimer and sent his mother away, giving her the nickname that haunts history, the She-Wolf of France.